How to change your phone number in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings. Next, at the top right corner, you will see the profile and the pencil icon. Tap on it. Here you will see your registered phone number along with other personal details. Tap on the phone number section. Now, you can edit it by entering your new phone number. Type in the new number you want to use, then tap on next and then save at the top right corner. Now, enter your biometric if enabled and Grab will send the 6-digit verification code to your new number. Once you receive it, enter the code in the space provided. If the code is correct, your phone number will be successfully updated and linked to your Grab account. And that's it. Now you know how to change your phone number in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.